we're at a very advanced stage where there will be a standard template of an IPO, and you simply fill it up. It's like a fill in the blanks. It makes your job as a merchant banker and as an issuer much easier. And anything which doesn't fit into that normal template, there is a provision for exception reporting. And that way what happens is the document itself can now be seen and read in two parts, that this is standard, this is exceptional. So the focus for the officer dealing with the file also is that I'm going to focus on what is exceptional because the standard is anyway standard. So we hope through this process to actually shorten the time both for you to prepare the document and for us to process the document. Because if your projection comes true, aapke muh mein ghee shakkar, if we have 1,000 IPOs over the next 2 years, there's going to be a lot of work at SEBI. So hopefully, you know, this is another initiative which will greatly help both you and us. Sir, ye hathi ke dant khane ke aur dikhane ke aur hote hain. As I said, we are the doctor in the hospital. We have seen such egregious misuse of IPO money. And it all goes back to related party transactions, layered transactions, particularly with overseas subsidiaries, you know, the claim of, and all of this usually goes into purchase of things which will not have, you know, any tangible evidence. You know, we bought software, we bought a company, we did this, we did that. So come to us, we'll show you all the egregious behavior. That's why we have industry standards forum. That's why we have consultation. That is why we have advisory committees. So when you see on an anonymous basis all of what we see, then it's like that. It's like saying कि भैया roadside पे monsoon में कम से कम पानी पूरी मत खाओ. बाकी टाइम खा लो, लेकिन monsoon के टाइम अगर आप पानी पूरी खाओगे तो फिर jaundice वगैरह तो होगा ही. You know, the reason I'm hesitating is that I don't need to tell this audience what to do. They know. They know when they're bringing a pump and dump company into the market. They're knowledgeable. They've been in the market so long. जो आदमी इस तरह की कंपनी ला रहा है कि मतलब 3 साल पहले ये कंपनी बनी, इतना सा टर्नओवर था, अब अचानक इतना टर्नओवर हो गया है. Can't they see that this has a high likelihood of being accommodation entries to pump up the volume of transactions? Can't they see that there is no staff there? Can't they see that they've not even visited the office even once? Can't they see that the commission, the fees that they are being given is for what purpose? I don't need to tell you that. In fact, you need to tell us that. So I will not pretend or presume that I know more than this audience. So ये spirit of the law वाली बात है. आपको पता है, if you're bringing a bad company into the market for doing pump and dump, और वही, you know, stock split करिए, preferential allotment करिए, फिर वो bonus issue करिए, फिर वो इतना पैसा दे दीजिए मर्चेंट बैंकर को, वो कार्टेल के साथ आके लिक्विडिटी तो थोड़ी सी होती है. So from, you know, 7 rupees, you take it to 500 rupees within 3 months. Every day it's hitting upper circuit. आपको नहीं पता है क्या? मैं क्या बताऊंगी आपको?
What does it take to build India's largest startup platform? It takes a journey of starting out as an unknown and ending up as unforgettable. It takes more than 2 decades of celebrating the most influential and influencing the most celebrated entrepreneurs. From chronicling the stories of India's startup universe to becoming a success story in itself as India's longest running show on startups and entrepreneurship. Celebrating 21 action-packed years of building India's biggest startup community. Young Turks at 21. Only on CNBC TV 18 and cnbctv18.com.
Thank you you for watching CNBC TV 18 and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.